What are you doing there, bud? Welcome back to my first project, codename Polished Turd. Today we actually get to start fixing because we got parts. Some of the parts we have is the steering rod because we need to change that out, actual wiring harness, ignition switch, starter relay, and some actual nuts and bolts. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with the steering rod. This was the actual one that was on when I first got it. So definitely need to change it. And if we change one, we're gonna change both. So I already got this one off. And there's the second one. Let's go ahead and change it out.
What's my name? What's my name? Say it loud before the blood rains. Got smoke in my throat, still in my veins. They tried to bury me, now I'm off them chains. No ghost on the grid in the grave. That voice in your head when the whiskey misbehaves. Boots scuffed, war torn, breathing that fire. Whole damn world gonna feel my empire.
And bam, we got the second one. Now we gotta do the alignment. What I did was already jacked it up. Because if you look at it, the steering or the handlebars are straight, but the tires are not. So we gotta make an adjustment on that. And how you do your adjustment is right here. Turn it until the tire is somewhat straight. And check it out. Make sure everything's good. Okay, with the alignment all done and the steering rods in, we're gonna go ahead and go to the next step, and that's just putting the ignition switch in, which is not hard. All you have to do is unplug the old one and pop it right out. So let's go ahead and do that.
You can blast that fast, but I flash back. Deviate on my knuckles, troubles in the stack.
And change it up. And there you go. With the ignition switch swapped out, we're gonna go ahead and do the wiring harness. So we're gonna take out the old one and swap it out for the new one. Look at this old crappy wiring harness they had here. Like, it's so fried, pieces are just badly taped up. It's gonna look so pretty with the new one. So we just installed the new wiring harness. Now we just gotta plug and play. It's pretty easy. You just gotta make sure you match the colors, so the black and white goes to the black and white. Make sure you push it all the way in. It's connected. Take the black wire, find the other black wire. Now this is the female end, so now you gotta look for the male end. That's it. Push it all the way in. It's locked in. We'll go red next. Male to female. Once again, push it all the way in. Locks in. And last is the green. Make sure that's the green. Alright. There we go. That's all the wires to the ignition. And then once we get the rest of the parts, we'll start connecting the rest of it. So another part I already installed was the ignition coil. It's right here. All it is a plug and play, green to green, black to black and yellow. And this goes to your spark plug right here. And then I also put in the ground. Hey, thank you for hanging out. And once the battery comes in and everything else, we'll try to get it fired up.